Hello guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup is all about basic makeup. So if you're a beginner, this can be helpful for you. I will be leaving all the links of the products that I use in the description box. First thing I like to do is move my hair out of the way before starting my makeup. So that's what I'm doing. To make sure there is no dirt on my face or impurities whatsoever, I'm using the Zudio wet wipes. Again, it's very affordable. I think it's around some 79 or 49 rupees. Everything will be mentioned down in the description box. I'm making sure that I'm taking out all the dirt from my face so that I have a clean canvas to do my makeup on. Just like skincare, it's very essential that you do apply a lip balm before you get started with your makeup. So by the end of the makeup where it's time for you to apply a lipstick, your lips are well prepped. I've gone ahead and done my skincare because I wanted this makeup video to just be solely about makeup and not skincare. So I've gone ahead and done my skincare and now I'm applying the primer. Very important that you use a primer that is according to your skin type. Like if you have a lot of pores, use a pore minimizing primer. If you have dry skin type, it's better to use a dewy primer. Now you can use any CC cream, BB cream or a tint, a moisturizer tint for this, for your base. I've gone ahead and used the Lakme CC cream. Lakme CC cream is very affordable and very good for beginners. Keeping that in mind, I am also going to use the concealer that is by Insight. Insight is doing a great job with their product. This concealer by Insight is also very good. I've gone ahead and applied it under my eye and any other spots that needs concealing. I'm also going to use the banana powder to make sure that. So I have two eyeshadows by POPXO and these are very mini eyeshadows and I'll be using this for the first time in this video and I feel like it has done a really good job. Of course there are better products out there, but again I'm looking out for beginners and I feel like if you want to get a eyeshadow palette, very neutral tone, POPXO is a good choice. Of course there are other brands as well. Whatever suits you, you can go ahead and buy. But for today I'm going to use the POPXO eyeshadow palette. I'm first keeping it very neutral brown and just kind of applying it all over my lid to give it a base for the eyeshadows. And then you see that I have done it starts from lighter to darker to deepest, and once that is done I'm going to apply a glitter. Again, this eyeshadow palette has very good glitters in it, so I'm going to use this glitter right here. For kajal I'm going to use Plum Kajal and I bought this like the second time and it is so good. I don't know why it's not talked about that much, but this kajal is really good. Moving ahead with the mascara. The mascara is again by Maybelline and I'm sure you know about this. It's a colossal mascara. It is very inexpensive once again, so very good for beginners, and you can see the change that it brought to my look. I'm using the blush by Love Earth. I'm taking a little brush at the back of my hand and kind of warming it up and then patting it and then taking that on my brush and applying it on my cheeks. That way you'll not be applying a lot of blush and you can easily build up on your blush however you like. To lock everything in, we've used the setting spray. And again, it's a very inexpensive setting spray. Now I'm just using a tissue to just take off the lip balm and then applying a lip liner. This is again by Swiss Beauty. And then I'm going to use lipstick again by POPXO. It is really nice brown, earthy brown shade. For my highlighter, I am going to use my Makeup Revolution highlighter. I've owned this for so long and I don't know how many palettes I've used. It is just like butter. And if you are into glosses, I came across this Swiss Beauty lip oil and it is so nice. I mean, I'm just saying nice for everything, but trust me, whatever I'm showing is what I like. So Swiss Beauty lip oil is really nice. You can top off your lipstick with this oil and it gives you a very good look. It doesn't have any plumping ingredient but gives you that plumping look, if you know what I mean. And that was it for my entire makeup routine. It is a very basic, simple makeup routine. I've also done a little bit of smoky eye. You can bring it up or down according to your wish, but these are the products that I would recommend if you are a beginner and just getting into makeup. I hope this video helped you, and do subscribe. It helps a lot. I am trying to grow here. Please do subscribe. Hit the like button if you like this video and comment what you would like to watch next. Until next time, bye.